process. Market is the process of what? Market is the process where the sellers and the buyers get together to exchange goods or services in order to satisfy the customer needs and wants. Okay, sharp. What is the market? The market is the place where the suppliers meet the buyers. So, meaning what? It is the center of supply and demand of goods or services. You have to understand the difference between selling and marketing. Okay, let's start with selling. Point number 1 says it is management. It is management. Ne? So the management is sales oriented. Okay. Point number 2, it focuses on the short-term planning. Meaning they focus on the current market, considering the now, what is happening now, right? Point number 3, it considers only the needs of the seller, right? Meaning the seller like to sell goods only to satisfy his or her needs, right? So he doesn't do it for the customers or customer. No, he does it for his or her own needs. That's point number 3. It considers only the needs of the seller. Right. Marketing. Management is profit oriented. The main aim here is to make a profit. Right. To just make a profit. So everything is in the name of profit. So if I can be profitable, then I'm okay. Point number 2, it focuses on the long-term planning. I get it? They focus on the future market. What will happen in the next 10 years? I get it? Will I be able to market this potato chips in the next 10 years? Will I be profitable? So it focuses on the long-term planning. They focus on the future market, considering what will happen tomorrow. That's point number 2. Point number 3, it considers the needs of the buyer. The customer is always right. The customer comes first. So everything, as long as the customer is happy, very, very happy. So we'll do everything for the customer. Right. So let's wrap up. Sales management is sales oriented. The main aim is just to sell all of this stock. It's like I get to sell. Let me say I have 50 bags of potato chips. 1 kg each. So today I want to sell 50 bags, all of them. So this is sales oriented. I don't care about the profit. As long as I can sell all of this today, right? That's management is sales oriented. It focuses on the short-term planning. It considers only the needs of the seller. Marketing management is profit oriented, all in the name of profit. Okay. Number 2, it focuses on long-term planning in the future. Number 3, it considers the needs of the buyer. Right. Guys, okay. The first